How to turn off dual camera on TikTok. I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off the dual camera on TikTok. First, launch the TikTok app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new video. On the right side of the screen, you will see various icons for different camera effects. Now look for the dual camera option. If the dual camera is active, there should be an icon for it. Then, tap this icon to toggle it off. You can switch between the front and rear cameras by tapping the flip camera icon if you want to use just one camera. Once the dual camera is off, start recording your video as usual. After recording, edit and post your video if you wish. This should disable the dual camera feature, allowing you to use only one camera at a time while recording. You can remove the effect by clicking on the effects and seeing the circle with the line. Then, click on it to make the effect go away. Also, you can remove the filter by clicking on the icon that says I do not want it.